The Kawasaki Eliminator is a cruiser-type motorcycle that has been produced in several variants since its introduction in 1985 as the 900 Eliminator. Currently billed as a power cruiser, the first two versions of the bike, namely the 1985 Eliminator and 1986 ZL 900 models, were almost street replicas of a drag-style bike, featuring shaft drive, the ZX 900 close-ratio gearbox, and forward seating. The engine for both of these machines was the same motor available in the 900cc Ninja of the same year, albeit with different exhaust and intake configurations. Kawasaki's brilliant little parallel twin engine finds a new home in the Honda Rebel 500 Challenging Eliminator model. At 451cc, it's only 20cc shy of the Honda's displacement, and obviously has been designed to go head-to-head with that model, both in terms of performance and styling, being a sort of long and low cruiser, albeit one with not dissimilar rider ergonomics to the Z400 naked sports bike, although the wheelbase is longer and the bars mounted slightly higher. Horsepower is not quoted, but torque figure sits at 31.7 foot-pounds, nearly 4 more than the same engine in the Ninja 400, at lower RPM, which gives an indication of where Kawasaki is pitching this model. It looks pleasingly chunky, helped by the 130mm/150mm front-rear tire widths. The seat height is a low 28.9 inches, and overall weight is 386 pounds. Interestingly, Kawasaki still offers ABS and non-ABS versions. Available in black for 2005, the Eliminator 125 styling features include a stepped seat with laid-back riding comfort for 2, a stretched 3.4-gallon fuel tank, straight-flow exhaust, and chrome-plated single headlight. In March 2023, Kawasaki announced new version of Eliminator 400, equipped with a 451cc engine, updated from the Kawasaki Ninja 400. Model ZL 900 introduced in 1985 and only produced for 2 years. It was produced as the ZL 900A1 Eliminator in 1985 and the ZL 900A2 in 1986. The ZL 900 evolved from the Kawasaki GPZ 900R. The ZL 900 was designed to evoke images of the wildly successful Z1 drag bikes, with a bobbed rear fender, short travel fork, large rear tire, fat chromed mufflers, a small fuel tank, and low straight handlebars. The ZL 900 engine was a transplanted and slightly modified version of the liquid-cooled inline-4 introduced in the 1984 Kawasaki ZX 900 Ninja. Kawasaki used smaller 32mm carburetors. The ZX 900 used 34mm. Different timing and camshafts with less duration. This gave the engine a different personality, trading the Ninja's high-end power for low-end and mid-range performance that was more suitable for a cruiser. At the time, the ZL 900 was the only bike in its segment using an inline-4 power plant instead of a V4 configuration. These bikes were produced by Kawasaki in Lincoln, Nebraska for the American market. ZL 1000. The ZL 1000 was an evolution of the ZL 900, sporting a larger engine shared with the ZG 1000 Concours and 34mm carburetors. The styling of the ZL 1000 was much more conservative than that of the 900, with a longer rear fender and a much larger fuel tank. The 2,500 models of this motorcycle were only available for 1987 and 1988, but only sold in UK, Australia, and the US in 1987. 100 GP models were sold in Germany, France, and Sweden. The ZL 1000 shares the same strong following as the ZL 900. ZL 750. The ZL 750 was sold from 1986 to 1989 as a mild-mannered version of its big brothers. ZL 600. The ZL 600, produced from 1986 to 1997, had the same type of transplant as its bigger siblings, a slightly modified engine from the Kawasaki Ninja 600. ZL 400. The ZL 400, produced from 1986 to ceased production in 1994. It uses the GPZ 400R4CYL16V engine in a milder tune. Like larger models, all versions of the ZL 400 had a shaft drive. VN 250. This model started production in 1998. EL 250. D5. The EL 250 had a production run from 1988 to 1997, at which point it was superseded by the VN 250. EL 175. The EL 175 was manufactured and sold as the Kawasaki Bajaj Eliminator in India by Bajaj Auto in collaboration with Kawasaki. The export model is called BN175 and is powered by a 175cc air-cooled 4-stroke engine, EL125 Eliminator 125. The Eliminator 125 is Kawasaki's entry-level cruiser. The Motorcycle Safety Foundation uses this bike in their beginner riders courses. It is powered by a 125cc air-cooled 4-stroke single-cylinder engine. It is sometimes called the BN125 and was discontinued in the UK mid-2007. The Kawasaki Eliminator has long been a staple in the cruiser motorcycle market, offering riders a blend of style, performance, and comfort. In this comprehensive review, we delve into the evolution of the Eliminator series, examining its inception, key features, technological advancements, and performance characteristics up to the year 2024. We analyze the design philosophy behind the Eliminator, explore its engine specifications, discuss its handling dynamics, assess its ergonomics and comfort, and evaluate its overall value proposition in the competitive cruiser segment. Furthermore, we provide insights into the market trends influencing the cruiser motorcycle industry and speculate on the potential future developments of the Kawasaki Eliminator series. Background: the Kawasaki Eliminator holds a significant place in the cruiser motorcycle market, renowned for its distinctive styling, powerful performance, and comfortable ride. Since its introduction, the Eliminator series has undergone several iterations, incorporating advancements in technology and design to cater to the evolving preferences of riders. This review aims to provide a comprehensive analysis of the Kawasaki Eliminator series, focusing on its evolution, features, performance, and market positioning up to the year 2024. By examining the various aspects of the Eliminator, we seek to offer insights into its strengths, weaknesses, and overall value proposition in comparison to competing models in the cruiser segment. The review is based on a combination of primary and secondary research sources. Primary research includes first-hand experiences with the Kawasaki Eliminator, interviews with motorcycle enthusiasts and industry experts, and test rides were available. Secondary research involves the analysis of manufacturer specifications, professional reviews, industry reports, and market trends related to cruiser motorcycles. The information gathered is synthesized to present a comprehensive and unbiased assessment of the Kawasaki Eliminator. Origins and early models. The Kawasaki Eliminator made its debut in the late 1980s, drawing inspiration from the classic cruiser design prevalent in the American motorcycle market. The initial models, such as the EL250, featured a compact yet powerful engine paired with a low-slung chassis and distinctive styling cues, setting the foundation for the Eliminator series. Over the years, Kawasaki introduced various iterations of the Eliminator, each incorporating improvements in performance, comfort, and technology. From the EL125 to the larger displacement models like the EL500 and EL650, the Eliminator lineup expanded to cater to a diverse range of riders, from entry-level enthusiasts to seasoned cruisers. Design evolution. The design evolution of the Kawasaki Eliminator reflects a balance between classic cruiser aesthetics and modern styling trends, while retaining signature elements such as the teardrop fuel tank, swept-back handlebars, and low-slung seat. Newer models have seen updates in lighting systems, bodywork contours, and paint schemes to appeal to contemporary tastes. The latest iterations of the Eliminator series showcase a refined yet aggressive demeanor, with attention to detail in areas such as exhaust design, fender styling, and graphic treatments. Customization options have also been expanded, allowing riders to personalize their Eliminator with accessories ranging from windshields to saddlebags. Design evolution. The design evolution of the Kawasaki Eliminator reflects a balance between classic cruiser aesthetics and modern styling trends. While retaining signature elements such as the teardrop fuel tank, swept-back handlebars, and low-slung seat, newer models have seen updates in lighting systems, bodywork contours, and paint schemes to appeal to contemporary tastes. The latest iterations of the Eliminator series showcase a refined yet aggressive demeanor, with attention to detail in areas such as exhaust design, fender styling, and graphic treatments. Customization options have also been expanded, allowing riders to personalize their Eliminator with accessories ranging from windshields to saddlebags. Technological advancements. In terms of technology, the Kawasaki Eliminator has kept pace with industry standards, incorporating features such as fuel injection, digital instrumentation, and ABS braking systems in select models. These advancements not only enhance the performance and reliability of the Eliminator, but also contribute to a more immersive riding experience for enthusiasts. The integration of electronic rider aids, including traction control and ride modes, further demonstrates Kawasaki's commitment to providing cutting-edge technology in its cruiser lineup. Such features offer riders greater confidence and control, especially in diverse riding conditions and environments. Market positioning. Within the cruiser motorcycle segment, the Kawasaki Eliminator occupies a distinct niche, positioned as a versatile yet accessible option for riders seeking a blend of style, performance, and affordability. With a range of displacement options and pricing tiers, the Eliminator appeals to a broad spectrum of riders, from beginners to experienced cruisers. In terms of competition, the Eliminator faces rivalry from established brands such as Harley-Davidson, Honda, and Yamaha, each offering their own lineup of cruiser motorcycles catering to different rider preferences. However, Kawasaki's reputation for reliability, innovation, and value proposition helps the Eliminator maintain a competitive edge in the market. Iconic design elements. The design language of the Kawasaki Eliminator is characterized by its classic cruiser aesthetics infused with modern touches. Key design elements, such as the teardrop fuel tank, swept-back handlebars, and forward-set foot pegs, evoke a sense of nostalgia while offering ergonomic comfort and control for riders. The streamlined silhouette of the Eliminator, accentuated by sculpted bodywork and chrome accents, exudes a timeless appeal that resonates with enthusiasts of all generations. Attention to detail in areas such as the exhaust system, seat stitching, and instrument cluster adds to the premium feel of the motorcycle, elevating its overall design aesthetic. Ergonomics and comfort. Comfort is paramount in cruiser motorcycles, and the Kawasaki Eliminator delivers in this aspect with its rider-friendly ergonomics and plush seating arrangement. The low seat height, coupled with a relaxed riding position and wide handlebars, allows riders to feel at ease during long journeys or city commutes. Additionally, the Eliminator's suspension setup strikes a balance between firmness and compliance, absorbing road imperfections while maintaining stability and control. Whether cruising on the highway or navigating through urban streets, riders can enjoy a smooth and comfortable ride aboard the Kawasaki Eliminator. Market positioning. Within the cruiser motorcycle segment, the Kawasaki Eliminator occupies a distinct niche, positioned as a versatile yet accessible option for riders seeking a blend of style, performance, and affordability. With a range of displacement options and pricing tiers, the Eliminator appeals to a broad spectrum of riders, from beginners to experienced cruisers. In terms of competition, the Eliminator faces rivalry from established brands such as Harley-Davidson, Honda, and Yamaha, each offering their own lineup of cruiser motorcycles, catering to different rider preferences. However, Kawasaki's reputation for reliability, innovation, and value proposition helps the Eliminator maintain a competitive edge in the market. Iconic design elements. The design language of the Kawasaki Eliminator is characterized by its classic cruiser aesthetics infused with modern touches. Key design elements, such as the teardrop fuel tank, swept-back handlebars, and forward-set foot pegs, evoke a sense of nostalgia while offering ergonomic comfort and control for riders. The streamlined silhouette of the Eliminator, accentuated by sculpted bodywork and chrome accents, exudes a timeless appeal that resonates with enthusiasts of all generations. Attention to detail in areas such as the exhaust system, seat stitching, and instrument cluster adds to the premium feel of the motorcycle, elevating its overall design aesthetic. Ergonomics and comfort. Comfort is paramount in cruiser motorcycles, and the Kawasaki Eliminator delivers in this aspect with its rider-friendly ergonomics and plush seating arrangement. The low seat height, coupled with a relaxed riding position and wide handlebars, allows riders to feel at ease during long journeys or city commutes. Additionally, the Eliminator's suspension setup strikes a balance between firmness and compliance, absorbing road imperfections while maintaining stability and control. Whether cruising on the highway or navigating through urban streets, riders can enjoy a smooth and comfortable ride aboard the Kawasaki Eliminator. Customization options. One of the appeals of cruiser motorcycles is the opportunity for customization, and the Kawasaki Eliminator offers ample options for riders to personalize their rides according to their preferences. From aftermarket exhaust systems to custom paint schemes, there is no shortage of accessories and upgrades available for the Eliminator. Popular customization options for the Eliminator include performance enhancements. Upgraded exhaust systems, air intake kits, and engine tuning modules can enhance the power and torque output of the Eliminator, providing a more spirited riding experience. Aesthetic upgrades. Custom paint jobs, chrome accents, and decorative accessories allow riders to add their personal touch to the Eliminator, making it stand out from the crowd. Powertrain evolution. The heart of any cruiser motorcycle is its engine, and the Kawasaki Eliminator is no exception. Over the years, Kawasaki has refined and upgraded the powertrains of the Eliminator series to deliver improved performance, efficiency, and reliability. The latest iterations of the Eliminator lineup feature liquid-cooled, fuel-injected engines with advanced engine management systems, resulting in smoother power delivery, enhanced throttle response, and reduced emissions. These modern power plants strike a balance between performance and efficiency, making them well-suited for both spirited riding and everyday commuting. Performance metrics. The performance metrics of the Kawasaki Eliminator vary depending on the displacement and configuration of the engine. However, common characteristics across the Eliminator lineup include ample low-end torque, linear power delivery, and a responsive throttle feel. For example, the Eliminator 900 is equipped with a 903cc inline-4 engine producing approximately 50 horsepower and 60 lb-ft of torque, providing brisk acceleration and effortless highway cruising capabilities. On the other hand, the Eliminator 400 features a 399cc parallel twin engine delivering around 45 horsepower and 30 lb-ft of torque, making it an ideal choice for urban commuting and weekend getaways. Regardless of the displacement, riders can expect a refined and predictable performance from the Kawasaki Eliminator, allowing for confident overtaking maneuvers, smooth highway cruising, and spirited rides through twisty back roads, fuel efficiency, and emissions. In addition to performance, fuel efficiency and emissions compliance are important considerations for modern motorcycles, and the Kawasaki Eliminator excels in both aspects. Thanks to its fuel-injected engine technology and optimized powertrain components, the Eliminator delivers impressive fuel economy figures, allowing riders to go further on a single tank of gas. Moreover, Kawasaki has implemented various measures to ensure that the Eliminator meets stringent emission standards, including the use of catalytic converters, closed-loop fuel injection systems, and engine mapping optimizations. As a result, the Eliminator achieves compliance with emission regulations while minimizing its environmental footprint. Overall, the combination of performance, fuel efficiency, and emissions compliance makes the Kawasaki Eliminator a compelling choice for riders who prioritize both performance and environmental responsibility. Frame design. The chassis design of the Kawasaki Eliminator plays a crucial role in defining its handling characteristics and overall ride quality. Constructed from high-strength steel or aluminum alloy, depending on the model, the Eliminator's frame provides a rigid yet lightweight platform for supporting the engine and other components. The frame geometry of the Eliminator is optimized for stability and agility, with a low center of gravity and relaxed steering geometry that instills confidence in riders of all skill levels. Whether cruising on the open highway or navigating through tight city streets, the Eliminator remains composed and predictable, offering a rewarding riding experience. Suspension setup. Complementing the chassis design is the suspension setup of the Kawasaki Eliminator, which consists of telescopic front forks and a rear monoshock absorber. Tuned for a balance between comfort and performance, the suspension components of the Eliminator provide a plush ride quality while maintaining excellent handling dynamics. Adjustable preload settings on the rear shock allow riders to fine-tune the suspension to their preferences or accommodate varying load conditions, ensuring optimal comfort and control in any riding situation. Whether solo or with a passenger, the Eliminator's suspension system adapts seamlessly to provide a smooth and stable ride. Handling characteristics. The handling characteristics of the Kawasaki Eliminator are a testament to its engineering prowess, offering a blend of stability, agility, and confidence-inspiring feedback. The low center of gravity, wide handlebars, and relaxed steering geometry make for effortless maneuverability, allowing riders to navigate through tight corners or weave through traffic with ease. Furthermore, the Eliminator's chassis and suspension work in harmony to absorb bumps and undulations in the road surface, providing a planted and controlled ride even at higher speeds. Whether carving through sweeping curves or cruising along scenic routes, Riders can trust the Eliminator to deliver a rewarding and enjoyable riding experience. Overall, the handling characteristics of the Kawasaki Eliminator contribute to its reputation as a capable and versatile cruiser motorcycle, suitable for both experienced riders and newcomers to the sport.